Hey, Roger the Real Deal Guy here, coming to you from Holiday Resort Unity, and I'm on the showground, people. As you can see, we still have a fabulous array of holiday homes for you guys to come and look at. Now, most of you know where we are, but I'm just going to ask one more time. How far are we from the M5? Yeah, we're literally 15 minutes from the M5 for some of the best facilities in the southwest of England. What more could you possibly want from a holiday park and a holiday home ownership here at Holiday Resort Unity? Now, holiday homes start from as little as £18,995 for you to come and get your own little piece of heaven that you can come and relax and enjoy throughout the season. And our season is mid-February till mid-November. So fabulous season lengths, great facilities, ideal price. What more is there to consider? Right, today, what are we looking at, I hear you ask? Well, I thought I would show you the Willerby Manor, because this comes in an array of options. It comes 35 foot long, 38 foot long, 2-bed, 3-bed. So it really does tick so many different boxes for so many different people. It's the one behind me right here. We're going to look at the 38 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model. Let's go and have a little look. Wow, this really doesn't let itself down. Look at the light that floods in through the patio doors. It's just fabulous. Feature fireplace. Look at the seating. All freestanding sofas. You know, one of them little comfort chairs, you know, the huggable one, so you can all get in that. Ideal. Freestanding dining. But look at the colours. The colours are really well thought out, well designed. Open plan kitchen. But this really does tick some amazing boxes. For all the cooks out there that enjoy it, look at that. 5 gas ring burner. Double oven underneath. Integrated microwave. Great amount of prep and storage space. Integrated fridge freezer there. I mean, this just is amazing. Right, let's go down the hallway. First door on the right will be the bathroom. Again, great size. Sink, WC, lovely size shower. Ticking some serious boxes here, people. Down into the twin, and again, look at the light streaming through that window. Again, good size singles, great size room, above bed storage, little bedside, drawers, wardrobe, point for the TV and everything, so you can have that in here. Again, real plus points, real good tick, and then into the master. Wow, straight away, look at that little dressing table. Great size bed, loads of storage above as well, built-in bedsides, fabulous wardrobe, and I bet you that goes back away. Yeah, look at that, look. Even all the storage down the side. They've really thought about everything. And of course, the all-important village, the added ensuite WC. I mean, it really is fabulous. And as I said, this comes in a multitude of different options, which really does tick so many boxes for the family. But again, just look at the light streaming in through the patio doors. Can you imagine, on your pitch, doors open, your little bit decking outside, just relaxing, cup of tea, coffee, glass of wine, depending on the date, just enjoying yourself, enjoying your holiday home. What more could you possibly ask for? So this is the magnificent, and I say that quite happily, magnificent Willerby Manor. This is 38 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model. But as I said, it does also come in 35 foot long, also comes in a 3-bedroom model. So it really does work, and it is versatile. But as you say, the minute you walk in, you're met with all the natural light that comes streaming through these patio doors, the fabulous freestanding furniture, which really is ideal. The lovely kitchen area, the 5 gas ring hob. I mean, wow, they've thought about everything. Great twin, lovely main bathroom, and the great master with the ensuite WC and all that storage. This really is an ideal holiday home. But as you've seen earlier in the video, we've got an array of magnificent holiday homes that start from as little as £18,995. So all you've got to do, and you know what you've got to do, you've got to pick up the phone and give me a call, 07493 098 497. I am here to help you find the perfect holiday home here at Holiday Resort Unity, because you've seen the amazing facilities we've got. You know we're only 15 minutes from the M5. It's now finding you your little piece of heaven here that you can come and enjoy throughout our fabulous season from mid-February till mid-November. So pick up the phone, drop me a text, email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. And don't forget, this face, people, you're so used to seeing it all over YouTube. Roger the Real Deal Guy. Have a look at my videos, subscribe to my page, because they're always being updated, and we've also got new holiday homes coming in that really will go on there, so you can sit from the comfort of your own home and have a little look. So for now, I just want you to say, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the weather outside. But please, people, don't forget that all-important thing. It's not a deal! Of course, it's a real deal. and I'll see you soon.